Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mercedes-Benz Smart Fortwo 2015 to 2018 years. Okay, you can check this front USB interface. It comes with 2 harnesses and canvas decoder box. This harness will come with head units together. Okay, and this harness this canvas box Smart Fortwo 15 to 2018 years Mercedes-Benz canvas decoder. Okay. This buttons and the reset or make frame. Okay, you can choose a logo, you can choose time and music. Can set. Okay. Settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Mercedes-Benz logo. Okay. Sim editor. You can adjust the color, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose Belsee logo. Okay, all apps are here. You can check its built-in amplifier, Bluetooth, music, Google Maps, and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. This is the link app for wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. Okay, let me check the settings. It's clear memory, you can check. And network, Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi. It's PX6 chip. PX6 Android 10 system. Okay. Storage, you can check 64 GB. Car settings. Navigation setting, personal setting, LED setting. You can change this button color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce you can long press this and choose the app. This Bluetooth, you can check this device name and PIN number. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, click search button to search device. paired device, you can check. You can make phone call. Okay, it's changed color, paired Bluetooth. You can make phone call. Okay, the Bluetooth can be work through phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it can stream music from your phone, and it's built-in Wi-Fi. You can check network, connect Wi-Fi, show Wi-Fi, call Wi-Fi, and check. You can check belsee.com, blse.com. This is our website. Digital cluster. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can visit our website. Okay, maybe check the music. You can check the head units come with 2 USB cable. Connect one with USB. It will play music automatically. This amplifier, this DSP amplifier. Video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car settings, drum settings, turn on watch video. Watching video. Let's suppose to play 4K video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Our website belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, thank you.